Here it is. There were 2 of these under the sink. I told you. Come on. Green poop. Look at that. It's everywhere. That's all they ate. They survived off of this stuff. Ooh, yummy. And now the real fun begins. Check that out. Look at that. Ooh. Is that electrical tape? Not sure. So, got that junction. Oh yeah. Time for it to go. Yep. I think it might be prudent to move the whole replace all the plumbing in the house project up on the priorities list. What do you think? Yeah, check that out. Green poop. So here's the deal. Our first house was built in 1952, and I redid all the plumbing. It had some galvanized. It had been refitted for copper poorly, and we were in need of an update, some rerouting, added a bathroom. I redid the whole house using this goopy sealant stuff. And I used some tape, and you know which joints leaked? The ones I'd used the goopy stuff. So now I like to use the goopy stuff for the slipperiness and the sealing, as well as the tape. Never had a leak since. So here's where we're at. I ripped out the old plumbing. As you can see, it was fun. I showed you the piece earlier. I can't find it now. Hopefully I threw it away that goes there. It had 2 3/8 valves on it. But yeah, neither of these valves work anymore, of course. Old galvanized pipe. The piece I showed you earlier that goes up there, you saw it was definitely at least 60-70% clogged, which makes me feel really good about the plumbing in the rest of the house. Oh well, we'll get there. Anyway, check out the new! Got some PEX in there. Even ran a line to the fridge. We got the ice maker going. Yay! I had this stub out, sticking out of the wall, coming out right here for the dishwasher, I can only assume, at one point. I really want the cabinets to fit as flush as possible. This pipe was sticking out quite a bit. Let me tell you, I put PB Blaster on this, let it sit overnight, sprayed it a few times actually, and jiggled it around and everything. That sucker took a 6-foot pry bar to get undone. Same with this thing. Those things were so in there, I could not get them out with my biggest pipe wrench. Anyway, they are out. However, and this is the yummy part. Yummy. I was just going to poke that into the drain, but it's probably not a good idea. So I'm going to try and fish it out. And guess what? I'm going to make you watch. Check this out. Let's get this old thing here. I may have to go get my little router thingy. Let's see. I'm hoping it's not as bad as I thought. And it's just at the cap part. Here, let's break that in half. Get a little pokey stick. Okay, not too bad. Yeah. Alright, good enough. And I got this, of course I got it all over my hands. Oh well. That's what soap is for. Little cap I'll put in there. I won't make you watch that. Anyway, that's where we're at. Get this done. I'm gonna fill this in with some of this good stuff. Fill it all in, fill around the pipe. It's pretty chiseled away in there. Make it look nice and level and insulated. I did have to poke out the ceiling in the basement, which wasn't too hard. Literally, I tapped it with my pry bar and half the ceiling fell down just from the water damage over the years. So that needed to be done anyway. Not too concerned about it. Yeah, onward. So check that out. So much better. I like a sink when you don't have any plumbing. This is one of those new no plumbing sinks. Everything gets transmitted wirelessly. It was one of Tesla's designs. I think scientists finally figured it out, brought it back. Only problem is I don't have a garbage disposal anymore. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to take this leaf blower, take the front off, take that out, probably duct tape it upside down there, and I think that should work. In fact, I could just leave this on and, oh, just kidding. Look at the new sink. Check it out. It's beautiful, beautiful. I gotta get the old sink out of here, but yeah. Got the garbage disposal transferred, the hot water transferred. We're gonna wait until countertops come, because I gotta drill a hole here for soap. I gotta drill a hole here for the instant hot water, and I'm going to leave this hole but move the soap over here. This hole is going to be one of those fancy buttons, the little vacuum buttons for the garbage disposal. So yeah, check that out. Pretty nice. Fancy stuff. Look at this magnetic. Ooh. Little drying rack. A lot of space for pots. I'm excited. Are you excited? I'm excited.